Okay guys, let's get back to work. What I'm gonna tell you, some of you ask in the comments what this data file needed for and what is work for. You create a data file that all x and don't have any y. You don't have any target. You don't say for the learning you must have a target. I said yes, but all the kind of learning we learned just now is supervised learning. Supervised learning is the kind of learning that works and have a target for working. But we have something other that called unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning, we use cross-cell. Let me give you some picture of it for you to understand better. Let's go to sklearn. I show you the cross-cell. I think I some kind of pronounced the name in the worst way possible. Because of that, go to the sklearn to see the real name. Why the Google don't work? Okay, it's work. Let's go to this. It's scikit-learn, someone call it, but I call it sklearn. You can call it scikit-learn as well. Let me just search here on supervised learning. Okay, here is the electricity go. I think because of that we don't have any internet as well, I think, or not, but not really important. We just need to load these two pictures to I tell you more about unsupervised learning and how it's work. Okay, and this is a good example of unsupervised learning. What we do in unsupervised learning, let's think we gave the program these shapes, circle and rectangle and other things, and then the program and algorithm try to sort the similar shape in the places to look better in the places. Okay, look places to look better. What we are going to do with this data is that they are the comments. We have, let's say we have three type of comments, for example. Let's say we have three type of comments. The first type is the good comment that say, for example, they are the trading comments. For example, there's good comment that say your video is good or approved, or the chart is going up, or the bear, for example, the bear chart. And some of the comments are bad. For example, isn't he a brookie now? They say something that's bad, or someone comment, or they tell us some thing about the chart. I say there are some information, and some comments are just thinking, not giving us anything. I wanted to put these comments in a scale. For example, 0 for bad comments and 100 for good comments. And I want the system to learn it by herself. We want to make a code that can understand the good and bad comments and make them separated. Okay, you understand the purpose of using this. In the next lesson, we were going to learn more about supervised learning and scikit-learn if it come. Okay, have a good day.